A Bluetooth speaker is a great way to listen to the tunes you love anytime, anywhere, and without getting tangled up in an endless maze of cords. With easy portability and quick connectivity, good Bluetooth speakers can elevate any activity. All you need is a Bluetooth-compatible device, like a cell phone, computer, or tablet, and you're in business. However, not all wireless speakers are created equal. You want to find something with great sound and a sleek design that will also last. We've narrowed down the competition to the best Bluetooth speakers so you can spend less time shopping and more time with your favorite playlists. Number 1. Marshall Imberton 2. Marshall's expansion from amps and other hardware used by iconic bands like AC/DC to consumer-level headphones and speakers has been pretty successful. Its speakers have become popular enough for the company to release revised versions of them, which includes the Imberton 2, its latest take on a highly portable mid-tier Bluetooth speaker. The Imberton 2 retains the iconic gold and black look of Marshall's amps, with red LEDs showing its power state and battery life. In our tests, the Imberton 2 sounds good for its size and price and, thankfully, wasn't tuned exclusively for listening to rock music. There are limitations to the amount of balance you can get from a backpack-friendly mono speaker, but we were pleased that Marshall managed to fit two 2-inch drivers inside instead of one. If you're looking for a speaker that can sound pretty good when cranked up loud for a trip to the beach or backyard party, but is small enough to take with you while traveling on a plane, the Imberton 2 is the ideal choice. Number 2. Bose S1 Pro Portable. This Bluetooth party speaker cranks out huge volume while minimizing distortion. If you want the loudest Bluetooth speaker, the Bose S1 Pro will give you concert-level volume without sacrificing quality. This PA-inspired Bluetooth speaker is pretty impressive. There is some extra math to be done regarding maximum decibel output because high-end speakers usually have a range of wattage support that affects the sound output. However, the S1 Pro typically peaks at around 109 decibels. It features a 3-channel mixer, with options for reverb and EQ and a dedicated channel for other music sources. The speaker can last up to 11 hours with a quick charge function if you're in a rush. Though it's a little bigger, and several hundred more expensive, than other models, this speaker is still quite portable and extremely potent. With unparalleled sound quality, it's truly perfect for parties and private concerts. Number 3. Sonos Move. The Sonos Move has a ton of options when it comes to connectivity. Known for its smart speakers, Sonos Gear typically operates over Wi-Fi. It can instantly integrate into an existing multi-room Sonos speaker network, connect to Apple AirPlay, and use a built-in Alexa voice assistant that you can enable and disable as you like. But the Move is also capable of connecting to devices via Bluetooth, making it truly portable. It has up to 11 hours of battery life and a super sleek circular charging base. You can easily control all of the various services and settings like Sonos Radio, Alexa, Spotify, Apple Music, and more using the Sonos S2 Singular app, making it easy to change things up at the drop of a hat. That's a lot of options, though they come at a fair amount of dollars, $400 on average. Looking for a Sonos speaker that's even more transportable and weather-resistant, while also more affordable? Check out the palm-sized IP67 Sonos Roam, which still sports many features and great fidelity but for less than $200. Number 4. Edifier S1000W. Edifier has slowly become one of our go-to audio companies because of its ability to cram a lot of performance into speakers that don't cost a lot of money. The S1000Ws show off what Edifier is capable of when it's less budget constrained, and the result is wonderful. Computer speakers are typically pretty bad, laptops are too thin for premium audio hardware, PC towers have no speakers at all, and all-in-one PCs don't fare much better. On the other hand, the S1000Ws are equipped with everything you could ask for from Bluetooth computer speakers for serious music listening or video watching. Each cabinet features a 5.5-inch woofer and 1-inch tweeter, and EQ knobs on the back allow you to fine-tune their bass and treble to your liking. We didn't find that necessary in our tests, as music, podcasts, and videos all sounded crystal clear at all volume levels. There was no overblown bass creeping up and muddying the mids, or crunchy treble making us wince every time a cymbal was hit. Instead of reinventing the wheel, Edifier took what it learned from optimizing sound for budget audiences and expanded the speaker's performance. Number 5. Trebit X Sound Go Bluetooth Speaker. Trebit's X Sound speaker is designed to withstand drops, dust, dips, and dents. The overall sound quality isn't as crisp as a higher-end speaker, but you won't have to worry about damage during an outdoor trip or toddler encounter. It is IPX7 waterproof in up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes and has a Bluetooth range of up to 100 feet. The battery lasts up to 24 hours, so it's perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, and cycling. It also has an attached strap to take your music on the go. It has improved sound quality and connectivity over the previous model, which was already an excellent value for its price, making it the best cheap Bluetooth speaker.